until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles east of Kelly's Island to near Huron, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas.
I was not expecting
Small
that.
craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations affected include Willow Wick, Avon Point, Lorraine Harbor, Western Vermilion, and Cleveland. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. The urgent weather message.
Okay.
The severe thunderstorm
I'm gonna leave you on.
warning.
Okay.